Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Lajwerd Muqadas from AJK Pakistan. Hope you will be fine and fit. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, then subscribe now Lajwerd Muqadas and like and share my videos.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.
Every flower is a blossoming soul in nature.
They'll be calling me royalty.
Life is full of beauty, pay attention to it. Look at the bumblebee, the little ones and smiling faces. Enjoy the rain and take deep breath in the air. Live your life to the fullest and start your journey to fulfill your dreams. Every day of your life with a smile on your face, as it is a blessing from the Creator to achieve your goals and complete your pending tasks.